Good morning students, hope everyone are fine. So in the last class I had sent one PDF, right? That is about the exercise number 2.1. Okay, hope everyone done that one in your CW. Okay, so now we'll begin with the exercise number 2.2. Everyone open the exercise number 2.2 in that page number 28. Open the page number 28 everyone. 2.2. Okay, 2.2, that is the first one. What is that one they given? Evaluate. First question. 1 by 2 of eighth one is a 22 by 25 and B here a 5 by 7 they given. Right? So here A value is so first question 1 by 2 of eighth one is here 22 by 25 and week one is in the what here 5 by 7, right? So now multiply here, that is 1 by 2 of this much means 1 by 2 into 22 by 25, right? So 1 by 2 into 22 by 25 here. Now, first one, we are doing a 8 question. Half means nothing but the multiplication. Already we learned in 2.1 only, right? So here 1 by 2 into 22 by 25. Now cancel. Is there any cancellation? Cross cancellation? Yes, we can cancel 22, right? 2 ones are, 2 11s are. Right? So now multiply the numerator, that is 11 ones are 11, 25 ones are 25. Answer is 11 by 25 is the answer. Okay? Next B1. What is the B1 here? 1 by 2 of. 1 by 2 of means again multiplication, that is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 they given, right? Yes. Next. Is there any cancellation, cross cancellation? No cancellation. All are different numbers only. Then just multiply the numerator, that is 5 and the 5, 7 and the 14. That is the answer. Okay. So like that we have to do here. Next we go for the second one. Second one is 1 by 7 of A is 21 by 24. Next B1. That is 28 by 35. 28 by 35. Okay. So now also first do the 8th one. 1 by 7 half means multiplication. 21 by 24. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Again see here 3 ones are 3 eights are. Right. So 1 into 1 is 1. 8 into 1 is 8. So answer is here 1 by 8. Next do the B one. What is the B one here? 1 by 7. Of means again multiplication. Here 28 by 35. Right? So 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. Next. Is there any cancellation? No. Now 4 ones are 4. 35 ones are 35. So what is the answer? 4 by 35 is the answer. Okay, like that we have to do the problems. Same as like a 2.1. Okay, next go for the second main now. Put the second main here. Find each product. Write your answer in the simplest form. Okay. So first find the product. After that, if there is any cancellation, then do the cancellation and convert into a simplest form. Okay. What do you mean by simplest form here? Whenever you cancel the values, no. Okay. That only called as the simplest form of that one. Okay, otherwise you can multiply directly 28 ones are 28 divided by 7 into 35, that value. That will be the bigger value. Okay, so just if there is a cancellation, just cancel the values and write the smaller value. Okay, then only we can say for that as that is the simplest form of the fraction. Okay, so now we'll begin with the second main, that is find the each product, write your answer in the simplest form. We'll do the second main now. second main here. In that, find the first one. We will do the first one now. 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. Right? So now multiply numerator. 4 ones are 4, 3 fives are 15. Is there any cancellation? 4 and 15 are not in the same table. Then we can't cancel the values. Okay? If those two values are in the same table, then only we can cancel. Otherwise we can't. Okay? So here 4 by 15 is the simplest form of that one. Next 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Here also no cancellation, right? So 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8. That is the answer. Because we can't cancel the denominator to denominator. We can only cancel with the numerator to denominator, or else like this cross cancellation is there. Okay? Next the third one. What is the third question here? Third one is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 2 ones are 2, 5 threes are 15. 2 by 15 is the answer. Okay. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 2 by 5. 4 twos are 8, 5 fives are 25. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. What is the fifth one here? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 4 by 5. Now observe the cross values. Here also 4, here also 4. We can cancel. 4 ones are, 4 ones are. So what is the answer? 1 by 5 is the answer. Right? Next sixth one. 5 by 6 into 3 by 5. So here also 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So next seventh one. Seventh one, 4 by 7. 4 by 7 into 3 by 10. Okay. See here. We can cancel with the 2 table. 2 twos are, 2 fives are. Next no cancellation. 2 threes are 6, 7 fives are 35. 6 by 35 is the answer. Next 8 one. 3 by 4 into 2 by 8. Again 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. So next we'll go for the third main. Okay, we finished the 2.2 second main. Now we'll go for the third main. What is the third main given here? Same thing. Multiply and reduce to the lowest possible terms. Lowest possible term also same. Simplest form also same. Okay. Whenever you do the cancellation, no, that is called as the simplest form or lowest form. Okay. So same. Like a second main, we'll do the third main now. Third main. In that first one. Third main. First one. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. See here, cross. These two are in the same table. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Next, 5 into 1 is 5. 1 into 8 is 8. 5 by 8 is the answer. Next, second one. 1 by 15 into 5 by 6. Here also, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Right? 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 6 is 18. 1 by 18 is the answer. Next, third one. What is the third one here? Third one, 4 by 5 into see here 4 by 5 into just multiply and write. 12 fours are 48 divided by 7 fives are 35. We can cancel these two values. That is the lowest form because these two are not in the same table, right? So next fourth one. Go for the fourth one here. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Here is 2 ones are 2 twos are. 3 into 1 is 3. 7 twos are 14. 3 by 14 is the answer. Okay. Next fifth one. Fifth one is 1 by 5 into 10 by 30. Here. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So answer is 2 ones are 2. 13 ones are 13. 2 by 13 is the answer. Next sixth one. 3 by 4 into 12 by 13. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Next 3 threes are 9. 13 ones are 13. 9 by 13 is the answer. Next 7 1. 15 by 16 into 4 by 9. Okay. So now simplify it. Here 3 threes are 3 fives are, right? Here 4 ones are 4 fours are. We can cancel. Now 5 into 1 is 5. 4 into 3, that is 12. 5 by 12 is the answer. Next 8 one. Last problem of learning. 6 by 7 into 7 by 12. Single. 7 ones are 7 ones are. 6 ones are 6 twos are. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Like that we have to simplify. Okay. Wherever the cancellation is there, just do the cancellation. After do the multiplication of numerators and denominators. That will be the answer here. Very easy concept. Okay. So how to do the cancellation? Whenever that both values are in a same table, not in a different table. If that both the values are in the same table, then only we can cancel the values. Otherwise, we can't cancel. Understanding everyone? Yes. So now we'll go for the fourth main. What is the fourth main they given here? Provide the number in the box. You have to fill that box. Okay. 2 by 3 into they given a box, that is equal to what? 16 by 30 they given here. Okay. So 16 by 30 means how to do this one? Simplest form of the number obtained in the box is, yeah, we'll do now first. Fourth main. Fourth main. In that first portion, in that again 8 one. Okay, they given here 2 by 3 into they given a box here, that is equal to what they given here? 16 by 30 they given, right? 2 by 3 into they given a one box here, after that 16 by 30 they given here. So now we want this box, right? So now 16 by 30 into, okay? So this value, whenever now it is present in the LHS side. If you are taking that fraction to the RHS side, that time you take the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay. So this 3 will go to the numerator and this 2 will come to the denominator. Okay. Whenever the value, whenever the fraction is going for the right hand side, that is a LHS to RHS. So the fraction is going to the RHS. Whenever it is going to the RHS side, then we have to take a reciprocal of that fraction. So 3 will go to the numerator and 2 will go to the denominator. Okay. Now do the cancellation here. 2 ones are 2 eights are, 3 ones are 3 tens are. Right? 8 into 1 is 8, 10 into 1 is 10. So what is the answer here? The box fraction is nothing but here 8 by 10. This is the answer for this box. Next again breathe one. What they asked in a breathe question? the simplest form of the number obtained in a box. What is the simplest form of this fraction? 8 by 10 is the fraction is the box value. And here, what is the simplest form here? 2 4s are 2 5s are. So 4 by 5 is the simplest form. Simplest form. Okay, that is the answer. Next, in fourth main only, similar like we have to do the second problem now. Same as like the first one, they given another one. Try to do again. Second one. Again here also we have to find that box value. They given here 3 by 7. 3 by 7 into one box. Again they given here product is 36 by 105. Okay. So now we want the box here 36 by 105 into 7 will go to the numerator and 3 will come to the denominator. Now cancel the values here. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Right. Here 7 ones are 7 ones are 3 left 7 fives are. Right. So here now again 12 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So what is the answer you get here? Otherwise just don't cancel these two values here. Here 12 and here 12 is there and here 15 is there, right? So just write that is 12 by 15. So the box value is got as the here 12 into 1 is 12, 15 into 1 is 15, right? Next B1, simplest form of So here simplest form of 12 by 15 is cancel here. That is 12 by 15 means here 3 4s are 3 5s are. That is 4 by 5. Simplest form of that answer is here 4 by 5. Like that we have to solve the problem. Okay. Next go for the fifth one. What is the fifth question they given here? For the fractions given below, first one, multiply and reduce the product to the lowest possible form. First question. Next, second one, tell whether the fraction obtained is a proper or improper. And third one, if the fraction is obtained is as a improper, then convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. So what we have to do here? Three things. For every problems we have to do the three things here. First one is do the multiplication and after that convert into a simplest form. Second thing is tell that whether it is whether it is a proper fraction or an improper. Okay. Third one is if it is an improper then convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. Like that you have to do for every problem. Okay. Now we'll do that one fifth main. Fifth main. Okay. For the fractions given below. First one in fifth main, eighth one will do now. First that is 2 by 3 into 3 integer 1 by 4 given. Right? 2 by 3 into 3 integer 1 by 4 they given here. Now multiply here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4. Right? So next, is there any cancellation here? 2 ones are 2 twos are we can cancel. Next, 13 by 3 twos are 6. This is the answer. Right? Now observe whether it is a proper or improper. This is the simplest form of this one. Okay? So the first answer is here 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Now second answer. What is the second answer here? Whether it is a proper or improper, it is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. Next third one what they told here. If it is an improper, then convert to a mixed fraction. How to convert a mixed fraction here? 6 2s are 12 here. 1. So here 2 integer 1 by 6. Okay, so for every question like this, 3 answers you have to write here. First one is nothing but whatever the multiplication you did, that you have to write third one will not come. Okay, only improper is there, then only you have to convert into a mixed, because for proper fraction we can't convert to a mixed fraction. Okay, only improper fraction can convert into a mixed fraction. For that reason I am telling here second one. If your answer is getting as a improper, then only third answer will come. If it is a proper, second one is answer is proper, then no need to think about the third answer, because there is no mixed fraction for the proper fraction. Only for a improper fraction we can convert into a mixed fraction. Okay, so similarly all the three answers have to write like this. For every problem you have to write. Okay, so next one more I do. Next problem do it yourself. Big one I don't do. 6 integer 3 by 5 into 1 integer 12 by 13 here. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 is 33 by 5 into 13 13 plus 2 is 13 plus 12. That is 25 by 30. Now 5 ones are 5 fives are. Next, no cancellation, just multiply here. 5 threes are 15, 1 carry 5 is 15, 16 here 13. Okay, 13. Yeah, we can't cancel 165 by 13. Okay, so the first answer is here 165 by 13. Second one is the improper answer is next. Third one answer. Convert here 165 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. 3 here left. Next 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 13 and we can't take. 13 twos are 26 we can take. 15 minus 6 is 9, here 0. So what is the answer here? 2 integer 9 by 30. 2 integer 9 by 30. Like that you have to answer. For each question 3 answers you have to answer here. Getting everyone? Yes. So next problems are do it yourself. C, D, E, F. All are similarly like this only. Try to do it yourself. Next one is sixth one is 5 students stand in a row such that distance between the two successive students is always a 1 integer 1 by 4 meter. Find the total distance between the first and the last students. So there are 5 students stands in a row such that distance between the two successive students is always a 1 integer 1 by 4 meter. See here, 5 students are stands here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 students are standing in a one row here, and distance between each student. Distance between each student is how much here? That is nothing but a 1 integer 1 by 4 meter. Here also 1 integer 1 by 4 meter. 1 integer 1 by 4 meter. 1 integer 1 meter. So totally how many times here? 4 times. So how to find the total distance here? Just multiply 4 into 1 integer 1 by 4. You will get the answer. Okay, because we are getting a 4 times same distance, right? For that reason just multiply with that distance with the 4 numbers. 4 into 1 integer 1 by 4. You will get the answer. Sixth one. Okay. Next seventh one. Seventh one also same. Both the opening batsmen together scored a 2 by 3 of the total runs scored by the team, and however Irfan scored only 1 by 3 of the opening batsmen scored together. How many runs were scored by Irfan alone if the total score of the team was 333? They asked here. So just try to do yourself and yeah. See here, in next class I'll send one PDF. Okay. After that we'll tell this one, 7th one, 8th one and 9th one, 10th one. Okay. If it is an easy problem, then I'll write and send as a PDF. Okay. 11th main is a very easy. 11th main I send as a PDF only, and 12th and 13th one also. Okay. So 11th, 12th, 13th and 5th main also I'll send as a PDF, and after that class we'll discuss the 7th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th problem. Okay, don't worry about that. I'll tell you. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.